Hey guys, Mr. Biggie Mac here, back with another unboxing. You guys a deep sleeper? I know I am. And there's only one alarm clock that can definitely wake me up, and that is the Sonic Bomb for the deepest sleepers. Turbocharged, loud, vibrating alarm clock. Guys, it says shakes you awake with powerful bed shaker and adjustable extra loud alarm. They're not joking. This thing is very loud. It has a 1-year warranty on it. And you can actually get them. There's a model that has a phone cord on it, so when you're sleeping, if you have a job that calls you and you have to answer your phone, you can actually wire it to your alarm clock. Just plug it in to here and then plug it into a splitter. When your phone rings, this baby will shake your bed and shake your ass awake, no problem. I know this thing has a 120 decibel or 118 decibel audible alarm on it, and it is no joke. It you could definitely hear this through the house in the morning. Everybody has one alarm clock. It can definitely wake everybody up if you let it buzz long enough. Inside, basic setup guide tells you how to work it, stuff like that. Inside you get, and I've had this one here for probably 5 or 6 months now, and it's worked every time. So this is what the alarm looks like here. It's got bright LED red letters on the front of it. If I had a power cord here, I would plug it in, but everything's back behind the desk. Get the other parts out here. Here is the bed shaker. You put this under your mattress. You can see here, it's about the size of like a flattened McDonald's hamburger. It's it's about the thickness of a chew can, like a dip can. Not too thin, not too big. It's almost the thickness of like a hockey puck. But it'll really shake the bed. It definitely wakes you up. Over here is the power supply. Yeah, this is ITE. It's not even the main brand. It's just a regular power supply. I'm going to clean this stuff up here because this baby is going back out on the nightstand beside the bed. Just back over here in the closet. But on the back here, this is where you plug in. You do have a backup, battery backup, and the other model of this, there's actually a phone cord that comes out through here, I believe, and has a little attachment thing on it, and you attach this long cord over to your wall plug, like a splitter for a phone cord, and whenever your phone rings, it'll wake you up, even if you have the alarm set. It won't interrupt the alarm set, but if your phone rings, it'll wake you up. It's really kick-ass. Here's the bed vibrate there, and here's where you plug in your power. Give me 1 second, and I'll hook this up so you guys can hear it. You gotta hear it. You're here to see the video, you gotta hear it. So hold on 1 second. Alright guys, here we are back. Here it is. Here is the high and low setting on here. Across here there's 3 red blinking LEDs. This thing's set to go off at 105, and I'm going to set the bed shaker here, and you'll see. So yeah, this is going to be loud. Like I said, on here it might not sound that loud, but in person it is definitely loud. And I notice I'm talking more because I'm getting anxious because I know it's going to go off and it's probably going to scare the shit out of me. There it is. As you can see, the light blink, and I don't know if you can see that. Even trying to hold it, it shakes your hands. But yeah, this thing is very loud. I believe you get 10 minutes on snooze. You can set to vibrate and buzz, vibrate, just buzz, or turn it all the way off. Here's where you do your pitch. Here's the tone, or the volume, sorry, and then here's the tone of it. You can have it deeper or higher like I have it. I like it set it to highest setting so it's like screaming loud. But it definitely works, guys. Because guys have a problem sleeping in, running late for work because you just sleep through your alarm. Check this out. Just hit Amazon and look for Sonic Bomb alarm clock by Sonic Alert. Bunch of different versions of it, and just put it this way: your first week that you use it, you're gonna be a little cranky because it's not very pleasant until you're used to the alarm going off, and it's not absolutely scaring the shit out of you when you first start using them. So, alright guys, that's it. This is Mr. Big Mac saying I'll see you guys on YouTube. Have a good one. Hey guys, Mr. Biggie Mac here, back with another unboxing. You guys a deep sleeper? I know I am. And there's only one alarm clock that can definitely wake me up, and that is the Sonic Bomb for the deepest sleepers. Turbocharged, loud, vibrating alarm clock. Guys, it says shakes you awake with powerful bed shaker and adjustable extra loud alarm.